Kubernetes is an open-source platform that revolutionizes how we manage containerized applications. Think of it as an intelligent orchestrator that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containers across multiple machines. Just like a conductor coordinates musicians in an orchestra, Kubernetes coordinates containers to work together seamlessly. Kubernetes is fundamentally a container management system. Containers, like Docker containers, package applications along with all their dependencies into portable units. This means the same container can run consistently across different environments, from development laptops to production servers. Kubernetes takes this concept further by orchestrating these containers across multiple machines. Kubernetes excels in 4 key areas. First, automated deployment. It can automatically distribute your applications across multiple servers. Second, dynamic scaling. It can increase or decrease the number of running containers based on demand. Third, rolling updates. It can update applications without downtime by gradually replacing old versions. Finally, self-healing. If a container fails, Kubernetes automatically restarts it or moves it to a healthy server. Kubernetes follows a master worker architecture. The master node acts as the control plane, containing components like the API server and scheduler that make decisions about where to run applications. Worker nodes are where your applications actually run, inside units called pods. Pods are the smallest deployable units in Kubernetes. Services provide stable network access to pods, acting as load balancers that distribute traffic across multiple pod instances. Kubernetes offers compelling benefits for modern application deployment. It provides high availability by automatically restarting failed containers and redistributing workloads. Resource utilization is optimized through intelligent scheduling and auto-scaling. Management becomes simplified with declarative configuration and unified APIs. Most importantly, Kubernetes is vendor agnostic. Your applications can run consistently across AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, or on-premises infrastructure. This portability, combined with its active open-source community, makes Kubernetes the de facto standard for container orchestration.